Well, hello there. I'm Shannon Grissom, and welcome to another episode of Painterly's 2-Minute Tips. Inside, you'll find tips on painting, marketing, the creative process, and so much more. Don't miss a thing. Please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you inside. Are you still in love? Are you excited to go into the studio every day? Are you just not feeling it? I'm a total introvert, and I usually prefer to paint by myself, but I love to attend group sessions, workshops, because they really just turbocharge my creativity. They're so inspiring. Today we're going to talk about the benefits of taking a class, attending a plein air group outing, or a group paint out. Here are 3 reasons you might want to do the same. I get so inspired by other artists. I can always find something that they do that I love, and then want to go home and play with it. Secondly, I learn new skills. I don't care how long I've been painting, there's always something to learn, always. And finally, creativity is such a stress buster, and when you meet with other people, that energy is just turbocharged. Okay, so if you're feeling burned out, shake it up a bit. Take a class in a different medium that you've always wanted to try. Or if you need weekly support, try taking a regularly scheduled class or paint out. Either one, when you take some action like this, it's going to turbocharge your creativity and you'll be back in love again. Thanks for joining me today. For the latest tips and lessons, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you next time.